Amid the wild lands of northeastern Canada, near James Bay, lays the Verino Gold Project. Based on encouraging sample results, Xterra Resources, listed on the TSX Venture Exchange under the trading symbol XTT, has signed an option agreement to acquire a 60% ownership interest in the Verino property and unlock its gold potential. The time for full-scale exploration on Verino has arrived. Quebec-based Xterra Resources is a mineral exploration company focused upon the acquisition, exploration and definition of precious metal resource properties in Canada. The province of Quebec has a rich history of gold exploration, with more than 180 million ounces of gold produced from the prolific Abitibi Gold Belt that stretches from Quebec to Ontario. The team at Xterra is being led by Michel Ferreira, a young aspiring entrepreneur driven to unlock the potential that Quebec and James Bay have to offer. His team has recently been strengthened by the appointment of Michel Chapdelaine as a director on the board of directors of Xterra and member of the technical committee. Michel holds a bachelor's in geological engineering with over 25 years of international experience, particularly in the field of exploration and the drilling industry. As senior supervising geologist, Michel played an important role among the team that made the discovery of the Coulon base metal deposit, as well as the Éléonore gold mine, previously held by Virginia Gold Mines and later sold to Goldcorp for approximately $420 million. This was one of the biggest success stories in Canadian gold exploration, and it was achieved in a relatively short period of time. Éléonore is located just 160 kilometers northeast of the Verino property and lies in the same geological sub-province. The Fraser Institute ranks Quebec one of the top 10 mining jurisdictions in the world for its favorable mining environment, based mainly on its mining policies and mineral potential. In addition, it is a world leader in the capture and processing of geoscientific data. Quebec is blessed with a vast landmass which, outside of the main mining districts, remains virtually unexplored, and this includes the recently discovered Verino property. Aside from the debut of the Éléonore mine, which has produced more than 268,000 ounces of gold in its first year of production, surface discoveries are still quite likely to be made in volcanic belts in the near and far north regions of Quebec in the James Bay region. The geological context of Verino, coupled with its positive results and limited work, warrant an aggressive exploration program, and Xterra's exploration team have already begun deeper evaluations of the property. It was a new gold showing that was discovered on Verino in 2015 by geologists of the Quebec Ministry of Natural Resources that piqued Xterra's interest, and throughout its own sampling program during its due diligence phase, obtained samples with gold values in excess of 5 grams of gold per ton, with some samples coming in excess of 15 grams of gold per ton. Xterra Resources has an option to acquire a 60% ownership interest in the property on favourable terms, and as all work expenditures are spread out over a 4-year period, Xterra will have sufficient time to maximise the efficiency of its planned exploration efforts. Current outstanding shares in Xterra are limited to only 15.2 million shares. The potential for growth is promising, and the recently completed airborne and geological surveys will serve as an invaluable tool for Xterra as it advances the Verino property this upcoming exploration season.